Hello students, I hope you all are doing well at your home and you all are fit and fine. And I hope that you have seen the videos of chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4. Today we will be learning chapter 5, that is solids, liquids and gases. In this chapter, we will be learning about three states of matter. The three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas, and how they are interchangeable, how these states can be interchanged. So let's start. First of all, just look around yourself. Everything that you see is made up of different material. Anything that you see around, like chair, table, the bag, books, pen, pencil, anything around you is made up of different material. So let's study about them. So what is matter made up of? All the matter in the world, material that is around you in the world is made up of molecules. It is made up of molecules. Molecules are the smallest substance in matter that can exist independently. Okay, for example, if we'll talk about water, water is what? Water is a matter. Okay, and if we'll talk about a drop of water, so a drop of water is made up of so many molecules of water. Means in a drop of water, there are molecules of water present in it. Okay. So, what are molecules? Molecules are the smallest substance that is present inside the matter or any material. So, what are three states of matter? These are solids, liquids and gases. Now, we are going to study about them separately. First is solids. Solids, what are the things that you can see around you? That suppose if we'll talk about a pencil, when you hold a pencil, you can feel its hardness. It is a solid. Solids have fixed shape and a fixed volume. Okay, solids can be held. We can hold them. This is because, why? Because the molecules inside the solids are tightly packed. Okay, they cannot move around. But we can change the shape of some of the solids. So this means, for example, we can change the shape of a ball by filling less air or by filling more air in it. Okay, so the shapes of the solids can be changed, but some of the solids have fixed shape and fixed volume. Next is liquids. Any liquid around you, for example, if we talk about water or milk, is it hard when you try to hold milk or water in your hand? Are you able to hold it? No, because the molecules in the liquid are loosely packed. They are not tightly attached to each other. They are loosely packed and can move around freely. So, liquids can be poured, kept in the vessels. Liquids, whenever kept in any vessel, takes the shapes of that vessel. Suppose if we put some water in a bowl, it takes the shape of a bowl, or if we put water in a tumbler, it takes the shape of a tumbler. So liquids take the shape of the vessel in which they are kept. So liquids have no fixed shape. They take the shape of the vessel in which they are kept. They can be poured, they can flow, and they have fixed volume. We will study about this, that liquids have fixed volume. We will study about this later. Now next is gases. Have you seen the smoke of a lighted agarbatti? Have you seen it? And you must have tried to hold that smoke, but you cannot. Why? Because the molecules of the gases are loosely packed. Okay, you know that you need air for breathing, but can you see that air? No. But when this air is being filled inside the balloon or a ball, you can see that the shape of the balloon or a ball is changing. And you also must have noticed that the smell of a perfume spread quickly from one corner to another. Why? Because that smell is being taken by the air around us. So this is so because the molecules in gases are very loosely packed, okay, more than the liquids, and gases can flow more easily. So this means that gases have no fixed shape, they don't have any fixed volume, and they can fill the space of a vessel and flow more easily than liquids. Now, we will study that states of matter are interchangeable. The states of the matter can be changed. For example, if we talk about ice, ice is in which state? It is present in the solid state. But when we heat that ice, or when we take out the ice cubes from the refrigerator, the temperature of the surroundings increases and the ice starts melting and it changes into water. Means on heating ice, it changes its state from solid to liquid and ice changes into water. And when water is being heated, the water can be changed into steam. Steam is the form of gas. Okay, but if we say this can be reversed. When the steam is being cooled, it can be changed into water, and then when water can be cooled, it can be changed into ice. This means the states of matter are interchangeable. We can change the states of matter by heating or by cooling. You must have seen a candle. When we burn a candle, the wax of the candle melts. Okay, this means it has changed from solid state to liquid state. Now we will see that dissolving solids in water. How the solids can be dissolved in water. For this, we have to read the activity that take a beaker half filled with water. Put some sugar into it and stir well. Stir means to mix it well. Can you see the sugar now? No. Now taste the water. Is it sweet? Yes, it tastes sweet. Why? Because the sugar has fully dissolved or fully mixed in the water. Then the liquid is now a sugar solution. In this solution, sugar is the solute. You are studying a new term that is solute, and water is the solvent. The solid that we mix inside the liquid is called a solute, and the liquid in which we are mixing the solid, that is called solvent. So here sugar is solute and water is solvent, and when we mix sugar into the water, what happens? Sweet water is formed. It means a sugar solution is formed. What is solution? Solution, when the solute and the solvent are mixed together, they form a solution. So what happens when sugar dissolves in water? When we put sugar cubes in this water, its molecules scatter throughout the water, as you can see. Okay, the molecules of the sugar starts moving in the water. They occupy the empty space in the molecules of the water. Water is a liquid, you know that, and it has empty space in it because the molecules in the liquid is not tightly packed. There is some empty space between the molecules of the water. So sugar occupy that empty space. This is why sugar seems to disappear. That's why when you see that solution, you cannot see the sugar particles more inside the water. You can see only the solution, and solution only has water. As you can see only the liquid part, not the solid part. Why? Because the solid has taken or occupied all the empty space that was there in the liquid, in the between the molecules of the liquid. Now we will compare the volumes of the solvent and solution. For this, again you have to perform the activity. In this activity, it has been told that you have to mix some teaspoons of sugar, and after mixing it, what you will see, and before that, before mixing sugar, you have to paste a strip to mark the level of the water, or you can mark the level of the water through a sketch pen on the glass. Then after mixing sugar, you will see, you have to find out whether the level of the water has increased or not. But when you will see after mixing sugar inside the water, you will find out that the volume, this level of the water has not changed. It is the same. So this means that the volume of the solution has not changed after adding the sugar also. So this shows that sugar does not take any extra space. It's the molecule only fills up the empty space between the molecules of water. So this was the last topic. Let's revise what all things we have studied. That matter occupies space and has weight. Everything around you occupies some space and it has some weight. Matter can be found in three states, that is solid, liquid and gas. A solid substance that dissolves in the liquid is called a solute, and the liquid in which the solid is dissolving is called solvent, and the solute and the solvent together forms a solution. For example, if we talk about sugar, that is solute, and water, that is solvent, when mixed together forms a sugar solution. So this was the end of the chapter. The assignment related to this chapter, the question answers and the exercises can be found below in the description box. Till the time, stay safe, take care of yourself, study at home. Thank you.